The seventh problem of ours is a very interesting and a very important problem, mind you, because it gives us a very important and very essential practice regarding the increasing and decreasing nature of functions. Here it is given, or we need to prove that 1 plus x into ln of something is greater than or equal to under root of 1 plus x square for every x greater than or equal to 0. Now there is a special and a very set method for doing all these kind of problems. We can identify these problems as a function of x, and we need to prove them greater than or equal to or less than or equal to some other function of x. So what we do is, we consider a function f of x equal to the left side function minus the right side function. Now we just need to prove this f of x is greater than or equal to 0. Now very clearly, if we put x equals to 0, then f of x is equal to 0. So the equality part has been proved for x equals to 0. So the inequality part, x greater than 0, we need to prove that f of x has to be greater than 0. Now we have f of x, so we find out f dash x, which is equal to ln of x plus under root x square plus 1 plus x upon under root of x square plus 1 plus x into 1 plus 2x upon 2 times under root of x square plus 1 minus 1 upon 2 under root x square plus 1 into 2x. Now on taking the LCM, we get x plus under root x square plus 1, which will get cancelled out with this term, and we will get x upon under root x square plus 1, which will get cancelled out with this term. So this whole term gets cancelled out with this term, and we are left out with ln of x plus under root x square plus 1. Now very clearly, the thing which is written inside the ln is greater than 1, so the value of this ln is greater than 0, so f dash x is greater than 0. Now for any function, if f dash x is greater than 0, that means f of x is an increasing function, or f of x is an increasing function. This means f of x is greater than f of 0, which is equal to 0. Increasing functions means if there is a x equals to x1 and x equals to x2, then for x2 greater than x1, we have f of x2 greater than f of x1. So for x greater than 0, we have f of x greater than f of 0. So f of x was 1 plus x times ln of x plus under root x square plus 1 minus under root of x square plus 1, which is greater than 0, and we needed to prove this only. Hence we have proved the inequality 1 plus x into ln of under root x square plus 1 plus x is greater than or equal to under root of 1 plus x square using the simple concepts of increasing and decreasing nature of functions. We found out f dash x for the function, we proved it greater than or equal to greater than 0, then we concluded that f of x is an increasing function, hence it should be greater than f of 0, which is equal to 0, and from this we concluded that this inequality is greater than 0, hence we proved this inequality. The equality part was already proved by putting x equals to 0, hence this is the final answer. This inequality is greater than 0.